Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Gentlemen, it's a delightful Delta evening. Welcome on board. It will be 4 hours and 5 minutes of sheer bliss. If you wish to track your connection, if you're making a connection once we arrive in Atlanta, now is a wonderful time to download the Delta app. The Delta app allows you to maintain control of your connection. You may check which gate we are arriving to and which gate you are connecting to via the Delta app. Your devices while the boarding door is open. Once we do close the boarding door, we ask that you do two things. Check the security. Welcome on board. As we prepare for an on-time departure, welcome on board this time to track your connection, which gate we'll be arriving to and which gate you will be connecting to. Wi-Fi is available once we reach 10,000 feet. On flights of this nature, we do keep our announcements to a minimum. Once we do begin our beverage service, we do ask for your safety. Ensure no items are in the aisle to prevent injury to you and those around you. 3 lavatories are in the main cabin for your convenience. If you're seated in the extra row, please begin reviewing the safety information card. You must be willing and able to perform those functions. If you're unwilling or unable, we'll be happy to reseat you. Finally, please check the security of your seatbelt. Once we do close the boarding door, please place your electronic devices in airplane mode for the duration of the flight. Welcome on board. Doors for departure, cross-checking all call. It's a delightful Delta evening. This is flight number 2318 with service to Atlanta. My name is Ty. I'll be your flight leader for this amazing flight. In our main cabin, we have 3 additional Atlanta-based flight attendants. They are also lead qualified and may assist you should the need arise. We'd like to begin by asking for your attention to the following safety announcement.
Each day across the globe, Delta partners with the world's best airlines. People who share our values of excellence, of service, of innovation. Together, we're building international hubs, which get you to more places than we ever could alone. Earning more miles along the way. At Delta, we're growing our family to move yours. And together, we keep climbing for you.
Hello. Delta and our worldwide partners are committed to building global relationships. Connecting you anywhere you need to go. On behalf of our entire family, welcome aboard. Our first priority on every flight is safety. So before we depart, I'll be giving a brief safety presentation. Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin, and place smaller items, including handbags, under the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear. As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member instructions. Smoking, including the